Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing some sun visors or rain vent visors for my Acura TL. I'm actually in my garage. It's kind of cold and rainy outside, so I'm going to try to do installation. So the car is parked inside the garage. You can see here it should be installed here and on the paneling over here. So the brand I bought is a company called it's called Well Visors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the installation. I'm gonna show you guys what needs to be done. So I'm gonna open them up. All right, so inside the box there's 4 visors. Obviously, there's 4 doors, there's 4 visors. It comes with some alcohol pads, and it comes with their website. It says here, you go to the website for installation instructions. I actually looked at it before I opened it up, so I have an idea. I never installed these things, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna spray some alcohol or use the alcohol wipes, and we're gonna clean the outside of the glass here, the mirror on these frames right here, the window frame, because these are all it's going to be installed at. So we're going to just go ahead and spray it down and just wipe it clean. All right guys, the first step to install these visors, because it comes with these tabs here, these clips that has looks like a screw that you can actually put it in so you can hold the actual visor. So it comes with 2 each for each visor, and the third one comes built in like this one. This one goes over the top. It goes over the top of this little door clip up here. There's a trick to actually putting these clips in, so I'm going to show you what I did. So what I did was I took a little screwdriver here, and you have to pry open the rubber part. You have to do it really carefully, and then this part goes underneath. It goes underneath, and it sits in like this. It's difficult for me to show you, but you get the idea. Once you pull the rubber piece out, just be careful not to tear the rubber, and it should be looking flush like this against the visors. These were the clips, and the visors will actually have a little tab here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hole and on both ends, so you can actually put a it looks like a screw, so you can put it in. All right, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the second one in. Okay, so this is installed, as you can see. I had a little tough time to install these clips here. You have to go through the back and press against the visors. So I'm gonna show you in a quick demo how it's supposed to mount. Okay, so once you install these clips on the door frame, you're gonna have to get your visor. So these holes here, and this little nut right here goes through the visors here, and you're gonna have to take this other grommet. Hopefully it sees on the camera. You slide underneath. This goes right here, and then you basically line it up. Once it gets aligned through the metal part, you just take the push pin right here and you just push the pin in, and it's going to secure the actual visor to the door frame. So basically, again, I'm going to show you like this, but you know, the visors in between. This goes here. This goes here like this. So hopefully guys can see it. And then the push pin goes right in between the visors. And then you just push it down, and then that's gonna secure it. So hopefully it picks it up, and I'm gonna be right back. All right, guys, this is all completed. I know it's kind of dark in my garage. I don't know how it's gonna pick up, but I'm gonna maybe do another video tomorrow. So this is the completed visors, rain visors all around. So this is the passenger side, the other one was the driver. So this is complete. It took about probably like an hour, 15 minutes maybe, because I just want to make sure it was installed correctly. You can see here, there's clips that was on the top that you have to just take the weather mat back and just put it over, and same with the front. Now you can see in the camera, but there is a slight indentation, I guess you can say, but after you close the door you really can't notice it, but that's where the clips hang. So that's the finished product. So maybe tomorrow I will film it in the light. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, so I'm back. Here is the installation of the rain visors. This is better picture than what I had in the garage. So that's what it looks like. It's all 4 visors. So that's it. So please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm gonna try to make more of them. All right, till next video.